Hello and welcome to another Gradu8 video. Today we're having a look at rounding, at decimal places and significant figures. This series is all aimed at improving your fluency within a specific topic area. So the way this is going to work is I'm going to ask you to pause the video in a second and have a go at the 8 questions you can see on your screen. After which, if you unpause the video, I'm going to go through the solutions to each of these. So pause the video now and have a go at the questions. Okay, hopefully you've unpaused the video now, you've got 8 answers in front of you, and we're just going to check if you're right. So I'm going to start up in this top left-hand corner here, and I'm just going to go through some solutions to these. All of these questions are about rounding, so this one's to 2 decimal places. So what you're going to do is you're going to count in 1, 2 numbers after this decimal point. I'm going to draw a little line in here. Now the most important part with this is that number after that dotted line, that's 6, okay? Is it 5 or above, or is it under that, in which case the number's going to stay the same? Well, it's above 5, so your answer is going to round up. So watch what happens to this number now, 45.46, because this number now has gone up. I'm going to move over to this question now, so round to 1 significant figure. This is very similar to decimals, but slightly different. Okay, so your significant figure, if you're counting in, the first significant figure is this first number here is a 5. Again, I want you to just draw a little dotted line just after the 5 there. Look at this number here, okay, and use your same rules that you used before. Because it's a 1, that 5 is going to stay the same. But I don't need my other numbers, so instead I'm going to put zeros in as just a placeholder. Okay, so let's look at this question then, next to it, which is similar but a little bit more complicated. Again, it says round to 1 significant figure, okay? So, I've got 0.86. 0 doesn't count as a significant figure, so I'm then going to look at the next number, which is 8. Okay, then I'm going to do my little line, and I'm going to focus in on this 6. Okay, that 6 is going to make the 8 go up, so you're going to have 0.9. You don't need to put any zeros in because obviously you're dealing with a decimal. So let's go over here this time. We've got 3 significant figures. It's a little bit harder. Again, ignore the zeros until you get to this number here. So here's our first significant figure, here's our second, and this in a minute will be our third. Dotted line through here. What does this 6 do? It makes this number go up. So I've got 0.0, and then I've got 8, 9, and that 0 goes up to 1. Okay, over to this side then, some more significant figures for us to deal with. So this time we're doing 2 significant figures. We're going to go 1, 2, and then we'll put a little line in. Focusing on this 5 for me. So this is going to make the 8 go up. So I've got 4, 9, and then 0, 0, 0. Decimal places, round to 1 decimal place. So here's your first number after the decimal. What does this 2 do? Well, it makes it stay the same. You've got 2.4. Next one says round to 1 decimal place. Okay, so let's have a look at this question. 1 after the decimal, a dotted line in there. That 9 makes that 0 go up. So I've got 24.1. And this last question says 3 decimal places. So after the point, you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're going to put your dotted line in here. Okay, and then you're going to round up. So watch what happens to this question. We've got 62 point, and then our 9 is going to go up. Now, if our 9 goes up, that becomes a 0, which means this 2 goes up. So my actual answer is going to be 1, and then 3, 0. Even though that's a 0, I want you to include it on the decimal places because it's asked for 3. So guys, if you're struggling with this video, have a look back through our solutions, look at our methods. Okay, all fairly self-explanatory. All of these sort of things, if you need any more help at all, come see me, Mr. Hussey, or just ask for some more resources. Thanks for watching, guys, and check out some more videos in our Gradu8 series.